Hi everybody, I'm Marcel from Bella Barista, and this is the new kid on the block. This is the solo grinder. We've only just had this now for about a week here in the UK, and we have exclusivity to sell this and distribute it in the UK. So let's tell you a little bit about this lovely bit of kit right from the top here. It's a single dose grinder, so no hopper on the top. These are the bellows to push the air through the delivery chamber. Beautiful adjustment wheel here for fine to coarse. Extremely lovely feel to this adjustment. Totally stepless. Really heavy body. 7 kilos in fact in weight, so it sits really solid next to your coffee machine. So techie inside, it's a 64mm flat burrs. They're Ital burrs, so a good make of burrs, and it's a direct drive motor, quite low wattage, and this will grind roughly 1 gram per second. So if you're weighing out 20 grams of coffee, it's roughly a 20-second grind time. Comes with the lovely little plastic receptacle here that you can use for, if you're using this for V60, for brewing coffee or espresso, that can hold the coffee, and then that incidentally fits perfectly into a 58mm portafilter handle, and also the portafilter handle will fit perfectly into the holder on the front of the grinder. Single dose grinder. It's extremely good value single dose grinder. And why would you want to own a single dose grinder? Well, it's great if you are trying lots of different coffees. So throughout the day, if you want to try a Colombian single origin and then you want to try an Ethiopian straight after that, it's perfect because you don't have to mess around removing the hopper and putting your beans back into the storage compartments. So it's great for trying out different coffees. Also, if you live in a household where there's a few of you and you all like different coffees, maybe decaf, it's perfect for that kind of scenario. Or if you just like the luxury of a single dose, so you're not storing any coffee in the hopper, you just put in 18 grams in and grinding that, or 20 grams or 9 grams, whatever it may be, fresh. So there it is. It's available on the Bella Barista website, and we really love it, and we hope you will too. Thank you.